Hello everyone, we are looking at question 41 of GATE 2017 chemical engineering paper from the subject of heat transfer. So the question is, in nucleate boiling, the pressure inside the bubble is higher than the pressure of the surrounding fluid. Assuming both the liquid and vapor are saturated, the temperature of the liquid will always be at 100 degrees Celsius lower than the temperature of vapor, equal to the temperature of the vapor, higher than the temperature of the vapor. So for this given case of nucleate boiling, we have to find the temperature correlation between this liquid and the vapor inside the bubbles. So let's just look. So in nucleate boiling, we know that if this is my heat source, then in nucleate boiling these bubbles will start to form. And let's just consider one such bubble. So this is my vapor and this is our liquid, and in the given question we have been given the pressure inside the bubble is higher than the pressure surrounding the liquid. That is, pressure inside the bubble is higher than the pressure in the liquid. This we have been given, and we have been asked to find the temperature correlation to temperature of the bubble and the temperature of the liquid. Okay, and we have been given that both liquid and vapor are saturated. So since both this liquid and vapor are saturated, we can write the correlation between the saturation temperature and pressure by the Antoine's equation. So that is, Antoine equation, we write it as log of P is equal to A minus B upon C upon T, where T and P are corresponding to the saturation temperature. Now if you know that this B term will always be positive, so if we keep on, if temperature will increase, so if temperature rises, then this entire term will decrease and this entire term will again increase. So basically this pressure is inversely proportional to the temperature. Okay, so from this Antoine equation we can find that the pressure of the vapor is inversely proportional to the temperature. So from this equation and the given information, we can write that since P of bubble is given as is greater than P of liquid, that is, we can write it as 1 upon temperature of bubble will be greater than 1 upon temperature of liquid. So we can inverse this and the sign of inequality will also change. So that will become the temperature of liquid will be less than the temperature of vapor. So this is the relation between the temperature of liquid and vapor that we found out using this correlation, which is obtained from the Antoine's equation. So basically the temperature of the liquid outside the bubble will be less than the temperature of the vapors that are present inside the bubble. So from the given options we can select that the temperature of the liquid will always be lower than the temperature of the vapor. So option B is our correct option.